Reliance Jio is offering the world's cheapest laptop at just 15,799 rupees. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, what's the trap? Let's get into the whole picture clearly. What purpose can this laptop solve? Is the price cheap or the laptop? Should you really buy it for this price point? Let's start. Key features: your education companion, field companion, cloud companion, good. JioOS, highly optimized and light OS for superior performance, average. Always connected, integrated Jio for LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity, amazing. Durable battery, 8+ hours of incredible battery backup, good. Super lightweight and compact, 1.2 kilograms only, good. Jio Store, rich repository of apps, content and productivity tools, average. Remains cool, noiseless and fanless with minimal heat emission, good. Made in India. Description: compact, smart, powerful. Convenience, light and easy to carry. Connectivity, always connected to Jio network. Content, integrated apps of Microsoft Office to work, learn and collaborate. Display size, 11.6-inch, HD. Operating system, JioOS, Android-based, multilingual. Passive cooling technology, heatless and noiseless. Processor. Connectivity, Jio 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Entertainment apps, integrated. Specification: color, blue, only one color. Anti-glare screen, yes. Screen resolution, 1366 by 768. What makes this laptop distinguishable? Integrated Jio 4G SIM need to be activated via KVC at Jio Store. Always connected to Jio Internet, good. Data plan need to be purchased, average. Warranty: 1 year. Type carry-in, you have to carry this laptop to customer care center. Locate customer care center, link in description. Delivery time: 3 to 6 days, depends on you location, average. Cash on delivery available? Not available at most places, bad. Shipping charges? Currently shipping is free, good. Return policy? Eligible for return within 7 days of delivery. Average. All accessories, product and packaging need to be returned in original condition. Customer care? Contact 1-800-889-1055. Email reliancedigital@ril.com. Find customer care location, link in description. Purpose: for heavy offline applications, bad. For heavy online application, average. For online learning or educational purpose, good. On-field activities, good. For normal cloud applications, good. For kids, good. Should you buy it? You should buy it if your purpose met in previous slide. For online learning. On-field activities. For normal cloud applications. For kids. Buying offers? This laptop is running offers on many banks and cards, which are available on the purchase page, good. Link in the description. How to buy it? You can buy it from Reliance Digital official website www.reliancedigital.in. Link in the description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe this channel for the latest amazing offers and deals. Have a good day.